Innovus is a programme which is designed to help small, medium-sized enterprises, predominantly in Cumbria, to help them develop their new products and services so that they can then grow their businesses.
We're different because the National Nuclear Laboratory and the University of Manchester and the Innovus programme have no interest in the intellectual property that arises from any given development project.
The ideas that we've had in Innovus have been very, very varied. They've not been specifically nuclear, although there are a lot of nuclear organisations involved in Innovus. It's open to any technology-based ideas.
We've received a grant from Innovus to enable us to look at a proof of concept for a project that we're working on. The team we have, the company is the size of approximately 16 people, and they're very innovative and they're very keen to progress.
I think it's especially important these days to try and innovate as much as you possibly can, not just because it creates a USP for your own company, but what it actually does, it allows you to be a free thinker, try and come up with new technologies, create an offering to your clients that's out with the normal core business of what you do. Plus it doesn't constrain people and allows them to be more innovative within themselves.
That grant and that funding application has required that we meet certain deadlines and certain requirements, but it also forced us to put together a very good project plan and a very detailed project plan, and without which there's a tendency often to put things on the back burner if you're busy doing something else. So it provides a lot more focus for the people and for the business.
One of the real attractions of Innovus generally is not just because of its academia pullback and its experts within its organisation, but obviously the facilities that N&L offer within that as well. So we've got massive rig halls that we can use and we can test, we can actually prototype development, and they're also tied into other nuclear sites which allow active testing as well.
The key thing is to make that message simple and sell the opportunity. Make sure you can describe the idea and the benefits clearly. Know what the industry problem is. Outline that industry need. What's the size of the market? What's the size of the opportunity? And why you? I think that's one of the key questions. What makes you best placed to deliver this project?
If it wasn't for the fund and contribution to unlock that private investment in our own organisation, it would have been very, very difficult for us to actually achieve that. So I think essentially Innovus have allowed us to commercialise those ideas, so it's been absolutely crucial for their development.
So this is a great opportunity to work with local stakeholders in West Cumbria. So we work closely with the Dalton Cumbrian nuclear facility, and also key stakeholders such as Britain's Energy Coast, to look at how can we encourage more of an entrepreneurial approach within the West Cumbrian community.
We'll assist, we'll support a variety of projects to hopefully create those technologies that will end up creating jobs and value into the economy.
And it also opens up access to the very large facilities and networks and skills that N&L and University of Manchester have got. So that's all on offer to the applicant as well.
From cradle to grave in that project, they've got someone who they can contact by phone or by email or face to face, who's able to act a little bit like a mentor, but at the same time is able to provide independent, authoritative advice. We're able to encourage in the local community people to collaborate, people to bounce ideas off each other, which is where innovation comes from. We've got people within the laboratory who have taken fundamental research and turned that into commercial products.